Good morning, guys. Sorry, I ruined one of my video. I'm supposed to. So I'll be eating my snack. This is my snack because they are not yet ready to serve. They are not yet ready to serve what you call this one, lunch. So I have to eat what is for a snack or morning breakfast. This is scones, jam and cream again, and this is my cappuccino. They did not give me sugar. Okay, guys, I will start eating and my camera will just stay there. Yeah, oh why, okay. It's nice, really. The ambience is nice. Look at the park over there, guys. The park over there. Yeah. So it's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, honey. It's alright. Today is Saturday, so it's still plenty of time. So guys, I'm now ready for my cappuccino. And my scones and cream. It's darker because of the, against the light. It's not good. Okay. Nice. I like the cream of the cappuccino. So many birds over there. First day of winter, 1st of June is first day of winter. So I'm outside. I just brought my coat, but I'm under the sun. It's alright. Yeah. Oh, guys, I'll be eating my snack and breakfast. I will remove this. I forgot I'm wearing my cap. I want to expose my hair to the sun, my head. As usual, scones and cream. Cars. There are so many cars here. Just relaxing, guys. Yeah, people will see me. She's eating alone. Yeah, I have my friends. My friends does not live here anymore, so I have to go alone. Be running after people. It's alright to be alone. Yeah. I enjoy it. Yummy scones. Guys, the singing of the birds again. Yeah, I have plenty of food in the house, but you know, it's nice to be out. Boring to be always eating in the house. It's really boring. Nice. Somebody, maybe my family looking for me. Let them look for me. I want to put my cappuccino under the sun. My hair is blowing. It's windy, and with this cool temperature, it's very nice. Yeah, cappuccino, guys. Let's have a drink. Yummy, yummy. Funny, I had a mess. The mess. It fell. I got it. I should have eaten up inside because there are tissues here now. No serviettes. I was not served a serviette. And it is very cold. My goodness, guys. I can take it. I can take it anymore. It's cold. It's very cold. It's first day of winter. It's first day of winter. I cannot take it anymore. Winter time again. And this is very nice, guys. I bought this in Sydney. Yeah, I forgot what store. David Jones, I think. That was here when I attended the what do you call this one? Reunion of the Royal Australian Navy reunion. I represented my husband, so I bought this because we went on. It was June 3 years ago. I represented my husband, so I bought this because we had at a what do you call this one? We were in the ship. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.